Welcome back. Now we have this polynomial expression problem to solve. And the question says that when the expression x cubed plus ax squared plus bx plus c is divided by x squared minus 4, the remainder is 18 minus x. And when it is divided by x plus 3, the remainder is 21. Find the remainder when the expression is divided by x plus 1. So let our let this man, let it be represented by f of x. Let everything in that expression be represented by f of x. Now, before we go forward, imagine we are given something like this, f of x divided by x minus a. Now, we will get something like f plus a remainder. That remainder will be a degree less than x. X in this case is raised to the power of 1. X in this particular case here is raised to the power of 1. So we are going to get a constant. So in this case, the remainder will be a constant. So now let's imagine we are given something like f of x squared minus a. Now let's say it gives us h of x as the dividend, then a remainder. Now this remainder will be a degree less. Now that degree less, r in this case will be a degree less than x squared. So we have something of this nature, mx plus n. So we need to take note of that each time we are given a polynomial to divide by a divisor, the remainder will always be a degree less than of the divisor. So take note of that. Now in this case, we are given that this man, our f of x here, our f of x is divided by x squared minus 4. Now, let's say it's equals to g of x or h of x. Let's imagine it's h of x plus the remainder. Now, the remainder in this case is given to be, so I'm going to write this again. The remainder in this case is given to be 18 minus x. Now I'm going to still write this again. Now I want you to take note that this man that we have here, x minus, the same thing as this, minus plus 2. So our remainder is 18 minus x. So now let's start. When x minus 2 is used, so we have f2. So our original question is this. Let me copy so I can be seeing it. So you have 2 raised to the power of 3 plus a into 2 all squared plus b into 2 plus c equals to 18 minus 2. So take note, that's the first step you need to take. So we have 8 plus 4a plus 2b plus c is equals to 16. So we have 4a plus 2b plus c is equals to 8. Let's term this I1. So we move forward again. when x plus 2 is used. So what we have in this case will be f minus 2 equals to minus 2 cubed plus a into minus 2 whole squared plus b into minus 2 plus c. So 18. So 18 minus 2. So we now have minus 8 plus 4 plus 4a minus 2b plus c equals to 20. So we have 4a minus 2b plus c equals to 28. So let's term this I. So now they gave us that it is also this expression is also divided by x plus 3. So when x plus 3 is used, so we have f minus 3 minus 3. So we have minus 3 all cubed plus a minus 3 all squared plus b minus 3 plus c is equals to 21. The remainder was 21, meaning that was used. So we have minus 27 plus 9a minus 3b plus c equals to 21. So we have 9a minus 3b plus c equals to 48. So we have these three equations. So let's bring out all the equations together so that we can start solving. So we have these three equations. I'm going to bring them out so that it will be more clearer to us. Then equation 1, we have this. So we have these three equations. Bringing out the three equations. So we can now start solving. So let's imagine in the equation was subtract subtract 2 from 1. So if you are subtracting 2 from 1, we are subtracting 2 from 1. So we have 4b equals to minus 20. That means we subtract 4a minus 4a, that goes away. This one will turn to plus, that's why we have 4. C will go to 0. So we have 8 minus 28, that will be minus 20. So our b is equals to minus 5. So we've gotten our b. So let's also say, imagine we are subtracting subtract 3 from 2. So this is what we have now. So we are subtracting 2 from, so we have minus 5, 5a minus, so plus b is equals to, so brought that will give you minus 20 also. So we know the value for our b. Our b is minus 5, so we have minus 5a minus 5 is equals to 20 minus 20. So 5a minus 5a, sorry about this, so equals to minus 15. So our a is equals to 3. We've gotten the value for a. We've gotten the value for a. We've gotten the value for b. So we can get substitute 3 for a minus 5 for b in 1. So we know our equation 1. Let me copy it out so that you will see it. This is our equation 1. So you can get the value for our c. So we are going to put these values. So we have 4 into 3 plus 2 into minus 5 plus c equals to 8. So this is 12 minus 10 plus c equals to 8. This is 2. So we have 2 plus c is equals to 8. So our c is equals to 6. So we've gotten the value for our a and b and c. So we can put all these values into this polynomial. So this is the polynomial, our f of x. So I'm going to copy it and put the values of a, b, and c in it. So x cubed plus our a is 3, so we have 3x squared. Our b is minus 5b. Our c plus 6. Our c is 6. So this is x. So this is the polynomial that was used. So they ask us now we should find the remainder when the expression is divided by x plus 1. So we need to do that quickly. So I'm going to cut off some pages, some of this line. So let's cut off from here. So we should find the remainder. So f minus 1 will be equals to x cubed minus 1 whole cubed plus 3 into minus 1 whole squared minus 5 into minus 1 plus 6. So what that gives, so that will give us minus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 6. So that's 11, 14, and that's 13. So the remainder, so the remainder will be 13. So that's how to go about solving this binomial polynomial question we are given. So this is the solution to the steps that we're going to use to solve these questions. So I hope you find it interesting. So you can go over the video, watch it so you can master the steps. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, to like the video and share it. Thank you for watching.